Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla cabin filter. First, ensure your vehicle is powered off for safety. Maintaining clean cabin air filters is crucial for optimal air quality and efficient heating and cooling. These filters are typically found in the passenger footwell area behind the glove box. Gather your tools, a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and your new cabin filters. To begin, gently pry off the passenger footwell trim panel using your trim removal tool. Be mindful of any clips. Next, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to this panel, allowing you to move it completely out of the way. Now, locate the filter access cover and use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the single bolt holding it in place. With the cover removed, you will see the two cabin filters stacked vertically. Carefully pull out the bottom filter first, then the top one. Pay attention to the direction of the airflow arrows on the old filters. Now, take your first new filter and slide it into the bottom slot, making sure the airflow arrow points towards the front of the vehicle. Repeat this for the second filter in the top slot. Once both new filters are securely in place, reattach the filter access cover and tighten the 10mm bolt. Next, carefully reconnect any electrical connectors you previously detached from the passenger footwell panel. Finally, align the trim panel with its mounting points and firmly press it back into position until all clips engage. You have successfully replaced your Tesla cabin filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.